After Effects just dropped a major update, and this isn't just a small upgrade. Some of these features can actually change how you work. In this video, let's break down the key updates in After Effects and see what's actually useful, and what's just hype. If you've ever worked with advanced typography in After Effects, you know how frustrating it used to be. But now it supports variable fonts, so you can animate things like weight, width, and slant directly with keyframes. You can stretch, squash, or smoothly morph text using the text animator, without converting anything to outlines. This makes text animation far more flexible, and much easier to work with. Another big update is native 3D support. You can now create parametric 3D objects like cubes, spheres, and cylinders directly inside the software. No plugins or external apps needed. And these aren't just basic shapes, they're fully customizable and non-destructive, so you can adjust size, bevel, and detail anytime, even after animating them. On top of that, Adobe has added over 1,300 built-in Substance 3D materials, so you can apply realistic textures instantly and customize them as well. Combine that with improved lighting and shadows, and everything looks more polished and professional. For many projects, you might not even need to open Cinema 4D anymore. This is something the After Effects community has wanted for years: native Unmult. Removing black backgrounds from stock footage like fire, smoke, or light leaks used to be messy. You had to rely on blending modes that ruined colors, or use third-party plugins. Now there's a built-in solution. A dedicated 32-bit hardware-accelerated effect can remove black or even white backgrounds in one click. It's not the flashiest feature, but it's one you'll use all the time. You can now import SVG files directly into After Effects, and they come in as fully editable shape layers. That means your vector paths are ready to animate instantly, no cleanup needed. Gradients from Illustrator are now fully editable and animatable, so you can control position, scale, and rotation directly inside After Effects. There's also a new Crop Comp to Layer Bounds feature. It sounds small, but it saves a lot of time when keeping compositions clean and organized. Overall, this makes the design to animation workflow much smoother. There are also 3 new built-in audio effects: distortion, compressor, and gate. They're simple tools for quick fixes, so you don't have to switch apps for minor edits. The Preferences panel has been redesigned and is now easier to navigate, so finding settings is faster. And lossless compressed playback is now on by default. This reduces preview file size, giving you longer playback and smoother performance without constantly clearing cache. Overall, with features like variable fonts and native 3D, this feels like one of the most practical updates we've seen in years. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.